So, have you ever shot on a green screen before? It's kind of cool, right?
Yeah, I can't wait to start shooting.
Yeah, it should be a lot of fun. Maybe, do you want to go through lines or something?
No, I mean, I really can't wait to start shooting. I have a Brazilian wax at 4 p.m. I can't miss that. So you have a hot date with this producer tonight? It could really open up a lot of opportunities for me.
Oh, right, yeah, I get it. Like, open up opportunities for him and he'll open them up for you, right?
Yeah, how do you think I got this job?
All right, ladies. Are we ready to do this?
Yeah.
Huh? Reggie, what the fuck's going on down there, huh? Hurry up, we're not shooting Baywatch here, we're shooting a tanning commercial, huh?
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm done. Whew. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, listen, we're going to need you to be over the top on this, all right? You're the first thing we're shooting today. So I'm just gonna need you to really go big like you are, all right? All right, guys, we ready to do this?
All right.
Okay, guys, ready? God, give me strength. Action!
What about the sound? Do you roll
Excuse me?
sound?
Jesus Christ, she's telling me to do my job. Listen, Jane, your part requires you not to speak. You're just gonna do your thing, right? You're gonna dance around and tan. You don't speak here. There's no lines. We're not gonna do anything with sound.
Okay.
Just you
Okay.
being sunburned.
Okay.
So don't
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Let's roll.
We're already rolling. So
No, sorry.
wasting time.
No. I just meant like it was just a joke. That was probably not the best phrase given the setting. Sorry.
What's wrong with the beach set?
No, that was like that was just another phrase too. You guys. I'm sorry. I'll just be quiet.
You're making no friends today, huh, Jane? All right, guys, we ready to do this? All right, guys, working with the live one here, so ready? Come on, guys, get together on this. We gotta try. Action! Cut!
Okay.
Cut, that's a cut, that's perfect.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Great, thanks, right?
Perfect. Loved it.
Thank you so much.
All right, let's get Vera on set, guys.
Do we want to
Let's
do
get Vera.
another take?
No, that was great. I liked everything you're doing there. Everything you
Great.
had.
Perfect.
Good. Guys, where's Vera?
Okay.
Where's Vera?
Excuse me.
Where's
Sorry.
my lovely Vera? Mama. Oh, thank you, Jesus Christ. Vera?
Get out of the shot, Reggie.
Sorry. I'm done. Sorry. You do that again, I'll fire you. Yes. Action.
Naked Island sunset. Naked Island sunscreen, coconut scented. Gives you moisture and protects for an all day long tan.
Okay, Vera. Guys, keep rolling. We're gonna do another one here. Vera, what you're bringing to the screen is nothing like the other one we brought at all. Because you're bringing so much more. The world needs more of you. You know what the world needs less of? The word ton. Ton's bad. Ton's a bad word. We don't say ton around these parts. Because you're not a ton. You're beautiful. And beautiful people love tan. What's the word?
Tan.
Not ton.
Ton.
I believe in you. Okay, guys, you ready? Everyone ready for this? Sweating under the collar. Action!
Naked Island's coconut scented sunscreen moisturizes and protects for an all day long tan.
Jesus Christ. All right. The word's tan. The word's tan.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, the word is fucking
Okay.
tan.
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 It's tan.
Tan. Tanzania, what?
Naked Island's sunscreen moisturizes and protects and smells like coconut and gives you an amazing tan.
Damn it!
Tan. How hard is it to say? Naked Island's new coconut scented sunscreen moisturizes and protects all day long for a sexy, smooth, and healthy tan.
Who the hell just got done saying that?
Dwight, I'm sorry. I didn't mean
What
to
did you
like
say?
go over her line.
No, come over here. Come over here. Vera,
Yeah.
split.
I'm sorry.
I ain't gonna lie to you. That was fucking perfect. I couldn't say it better myself. You did a really good job there.
Thank you.
Yeah, do you want to say it for a commercial?
Yes, I would love to. Do you want me to take Vera's mark?
I mean, if it'll help you say her mind.
Okay, all right, cool. So should we get the sunburn off?
Yeah, sure. We're just gonna ADR the son of a bitch anyway. Sound, is that good for you? Eh, fuck it, whatever. Yeah, hey, Reggie, wanna clean her off?
Hold that.
Open up.